What happens when American muscle meets European supercar style, and prices stay surprisingly reasonable? You get the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides with real talk and zero fluff. Today, we're taking a closer look at the latest update to Chevy's mid-engine marvel. If you've been eyeing the Corvette or wondering how it stacks up in 2026, you're in the right place. Design. Let's kick things off with the design. The C8 remains a head-turner, sharp lines, aggressive stance, and that unmistakable exotic car vibe. For 2026, Chevy has made subtle refinements, a more sculpted front fascia, redesigned air intakes, and new wheel options. The rear end keeps the quad exhausts and bold tail lights, while the low profile and mid-engine layout still scream performance. It's clean, modern, and looks just as at home on a back road as it does at a track. Performance. Under the hood, or, more accurately, behind the seats. The C8's naturally aspirated 6.2L V8 returns, now pushing out up to 510 horsepower in the base Stingray, thanks to minor tuning updates. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, shifts are crisp and immediate. 0 to 60? Just under 3 seconds, and yes, it feels every bit that fast. The C8 grips hard in corners, maintains balance at high speeds, and brings confidence whether you're carving canyons or hitting the highway. Features and technology. The interior blends fighter jet inspiration with driver-focused ergonomics. The tech is top-tier, a reworked 12-inch digital cluster, new infotainment UI, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an upgraded Bose sound system. Chevrolet also added driver assist features like adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, and improved performance data logging, great for track enthusiasts. Conclusion. At the end of the day, the 2026 Corvette C8 still delivers unbeatable performance, jaw-dropping looks, and everyday usability. All at a price point that undercuts most European competitors. It's not just a muscle car anymore. It's a full-blown supercar with American roots and refined attitude. What do you think? Has Chevy perfected the modern Corvette, or is there more to improve? Let us know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into the best rides out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.